to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1972 Dodge Charger. This is a factory rally package. Very cool car, guys. I actually sold this car, I think it was a couple years ago, to a local gentleman, Keith, him and his wife. Wonderful people. Big Mopar guy, loves Chryslers. He's bought several cars for me. And a really good friend of mine is one that actually found this car for me. Actually bought a car right at the car show. But the car has actually spent most of its life in Georgia. I think up until the late 80s, early 90s, the car was actually in Georgia. The car itself, body and paint wise, is a little bit older restoration, but then the mechanicals and the drivetrain, all that stuff's been done within the last 10 years. Again, factory rally package, a lot of documentation, broadcast sheet, window sticker, I think the original sales receipt's in there. Factory color combination. This is Y9, they call it dark gold metallic, which is just gorgeous. Love the color. And then it's got the factory, I think it's Y3 gold vinyl interior. Keep changing wheels and tires, put Magnum 500s on it. It had a set of aftermarket wheels and tires on it when actually I got it. But really good car, man. Good, tight car. Drives out really good. You can see they replaced the bumpers on it. It's got the chin spoiler in it. It's got the matte black striping on it. Grill's in really nice shape in there. Paint's really slick. I saw a couple little touch-up marks you can kind of pick at. Yeah, it's got the inside hood release. Car drives great. Really hits the road good. That happened to him actually while he owned it. The dash, it had a little, he said there was nothing in it. Well, actually, when he got it from me, and he said, just sit in the car show. Boom, he come out, little crack in the dash. It's probably just some heat. I think this car is all original body panels. I love the deck spoiler, getting front and rear spoilers. That'll actually shine up if we put a little, it's not wax, you gotta put a little, matter of fact, we just put it on the hood. Yeah, that had a little emblem there, and when Keith took it off, it made a couple little marks in the stripe there. Again, rear bumpers were replaced. Love the machine gun tips. It's got good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, nice and straight down the sides. Great factory stance. New Cooper Cobras all the way around it with brand new 15-inch Magnums. That'll clean up too, guys. That's just a little dust. Beautiful car. Front disc brakes. You can see it's got the hood mount turn signals, dual chrome mirrors, detailed. Like I say, my buddy originally when he found me, this guy bought it right at a car show. Matching numbers 400, factory 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, matching number 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. It's got power disc brakes on it, electronic ignition. Again, detailed up really nice underneath the hood. Great car. Stock exhaust manifolds. I love the color. Just love the color. Whoever painted it really did a nice job. Just a real, if you can see it, just a real deep gold metallic. Just beautiful. Original door sticker in here. They've definitely replaced the door rubbers. You can see how nice and clean the door skins are. New mats are on the way. It's got the buckets with the buddy seat. I mean, just a gorgeous car, guys. Headliner looks great. Again, factory buckets with the buddy seat. Original steering wheel looks great. It's factory gauges showing 49,000. I look back at my notes. I can't remember what that is. I don't know if it's supposed to be original or not. Factory AM, FM radio. Clock does not work in there. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's 8 3/4 rear, 8 3/4 with a 323 rear axle. Some dust there. Factory jack with spare. It's all body color in the trunk. You can see here all your insulation and everything. Broadcast sheet. Title from '85 out of Georgia. There's your original window sticker there. That's a copy of the title. This is your sales receipt, original sales receipt when it was bought new out of Marietta, Georgia. And then there's some receipts on the resto and the maintenance and stuff like that. Great, great car. Very nice underneath. As always, we always post pictures of our cars underneath. Stressing to people right now, please give us a call. All the scams all over the internet are just, I think they're driving everybody a little crazy right now. And I think it's just going to get worse with all this new AI stuff. If you see one of our cars advertised, the only phone number to really call us at 248-620-3355. Pick up the phone and call. Great, great car. If you're looking for a nice Charger, this is going to be a tough car to beat for the money. It's just like I say, it just hits the road great, fires right up. That's just a nice car. Hood mount turn signals work. If you can see that, they all work. Door buzzer works. All your fuel gauge, all your gauges are working. Fit and finish is nice. Backup lights work. Great sound. AM FM radio works. Like I say, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Have a great day, guys!